everyone and welcome. Volkswagen ID.3 today, May 8th at 1:10 p.m. Pre-booking started for the launch edition or first edition, and at 1 p.m. there was a press conference in Berlin, and they showed a not finished car in a weird wrap, but they said a lot what the car will be. 3 battery versions, we knew that, but the sizes are a bit different, so I don't know if I know everything, but I will show it here. And the launch edition will be the 48 kilowatt hour battery, and there will be 3 package versions also. The smallest battery will start under 30,000 euros, and the launch edition will be under 40,000 euros. And I was there when the countdown it started 25 days ago. The countdown started for pre-booking, and I was there when the countdown went to 0, and then I logged in. I already had an account with Volkswagen, that was cute, and again, but since then nothing moved. Always error, unavailable or timeout. So we'll try it home. I did this all at work. Everybody was fine with it, and I will go home now and then try it home. Like I said, I could log in and everything, and they have new Volkswagen Pay. And the car looks good. The car seems to have a lot of nice feature: internet connectivity, charging up to 100 to 125 kilowatt. I'm guessing this has to do with the battery size. The small battery only 100 and the bigger one's 125. They didn't say any, I don't think they said anything about the motor. I can't recall. Again, car looks good. It's my size. I'm not sure that I want the launch edition. What I like about it is that the first one cars built will go to customers that pre-ordered the car. So no dealerships, no press stuff. It will be for customers, and that sounds awesome. I would love that. What I don't like about the launch edition is the price tag of 40,000 euros. That may be too expensive for me. So I want to pre-book, and then when all the details arrive, I can always cancel. There's always cancel, and you get your money back, so it's no problem. And so again, car looks good, looks very interesting. I think Volkswagen is going in the right direction, and they said that they want to do this, and with a lot of force, and they thought of many things: home charging and Ionity for charging on the way. I think it will be nice. So let's go home and try again. Hopefully it works at home. So many people will order that car, that's the problem. See you at home. Hello everyone, finally it worked. 5 p.m. I got through, I got the registration, and we're here on the site where it shows you about news, the world premiere, and then when you can select the car and order it for real. So finally it's done. I have pre-ordered the Volkswagen ID.3 launch edition. I'm very excited. It's great. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.